Good morning. This is recording for Thursday, October 9th. The Zen story for today is titled The Stick That Waited. A magpie startled down from the trees, then vanished into a thicket of bamboo. The monkey muttered something about almonds and picked a twig from his fur. But after a few more steps, the monkey stopped, stared, took one slow turn in place. Wait, he said. The bend in the trail looked ordinary: mossy stones, damp earth, a leaning cypress with bark like peeled paint. But the monkey's eyes had gone soft, uncertain. I know this place, he said. He wandered off the trail, brushing aside leaves and lifting stones until he found it. A crooked stick, half buried, spine bent like a question mark. Wrapped in moss, but still upright, like it had been waiting for someone to finish the sentence. I planted this, the monkey said. When? The monk said. I don't know. Before I knew you, and maybe before I knew me. He knelt beside it. The monk came closer. At the stick's tip, barely visible, was a bloom, tiny, pink, unapologetically alive. You planted a walking stick? The monk asked. No, the monkey said. I left it in a hurry. I thought it was just a stick. They stood there for a while. Then the monkey whispered, what else have I left behind that decided to keep growing? The monk did not answer, but he knelt beside him. And for once, they didn't keep walking. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What have you left behind that might still be blooming unnoticed? What have you left behind that might still be blooming unnoticed? Now place your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What have you left behind that might still be blooming unnoticed? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.